So the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge continues. In today's video, I will show you exactly how much Bitcoin I have earned in the month of November. I will show you where I'm earning it and all the good juicy details. So let's jump straight into it. If you are new to the channel, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, we started this challenge and our main goal is to get one whole Bitcoin. We're not giving up until we hit this goal. So we started off in June. In the month of June, we made a total of $120 worth of Bitcoin. In the month of July, we made $47.40, bringing our total to $140 worth of Bitcoin. August was a very good month. We made $431.89 worth of Bitcoin, bringing our total to over $500. But then September was an amazing month. We made $1,225 worth of Bitcoin, and that brought our total to $1,795. October, biggest month so far, we made a whopping $2,263 worth of Bitcoin, bringing our total to $3,928. The two main ways that I'm earning this Bitcoin is through the Go Mining platform and with the Gemini credit card. That pretty much pays you back in Bitcoin on every single purchase. I will have links for both of them in the description box below if you want to check them out. And now let's talk about the month of November. So without wasting any more of your time, let me quickly show you the numbers for November. As you can see, we started out with the Go Mining platform. So for the month of November, my earnings on the Go Mining platform were a whopping 0 Bitcoin. When we go over to the Go Mining platform, you will see that I have way more terahashes for this month than I did back in October. So far, 281.97 terahashes. The biggest difference is this greedy machine. I ended up upgrading the efficiency all the way down to 15. That was my main goal with this miner. I also took advantage of the discount code and I ended up upgrading the power on this miner as well. The reason I did not cash out any Bitcoin from the Go Mining platform the entire month of November was simply because I was stacking up on Go Mining tokens. So instead of getting paid out in Bitcoin, I was getting paid out in the Go Mining tokens, using all the tokens that I was earning to upgrade the efficiency on my greedy machine. So the entire month, that is all I did. But now that my efficiency is down to 15, I will start cashing out once again. So hopefully for the month of December, I will cash out a decent amount of Bitcoin from Go Mining and all of these miners that I had built up so far. So all my earnings for the month of November came from the Gemini credit card. In my opinion, this is one of the best credit cards out there. It allows me to earn Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that I want off of every single purchase. You can earn anywhere between 1 to 4%, which is pretty sweet in my opinion. And it is an amazing and easy way to stack up on crypto. Best of all, if you use the link in the description box below, you can get up to $250 worth of Bitcoin. So make sure to check it out. So for the month of November, I earned a whopping $734.78 worth of Bitcoin with this credit card, which brings my total earned Bitcoin to 0.0443605. The value right now at the current price is only $3,775 worth of Bitcoin. Just look at the numbers compared to October, where I had way less Bitcoin, but it was worth a little bit more, $3,900. This time I earned almost $1,000 more in Bitcoin, and it is worth less in total. That is how crypto works. It fluctuates. Sometimes we rally, sometimes we have corrections like we are having right now. But in my opinion, this is a long-term hold. I will be stacking all the way up to 1 Bitcoin, and hopefully 5 years from now, 6 years from now, it will be worth a lot more than it is now. My plan right now is to simply stack up on as much Bitcoin as I possibly can until we get that 1 Bitcoin mark. I do believe it will happen in 2026. My Go Mining account is growing and I will be cashing out more and more Bitcoin in the upcoming months. Also, I will be earning a lot more Bitcoin from the Gemini credit card. I do have a big real estate project that I'm working on, so I will be spending a ton of money on that, earning me a ton of Bitcoin in return. And hopefully I'll find another way to earn some Bitcoin in the meantime as well. That is all I have for this quick little update. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Peace out.